Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. This week, a critical new reality is solidifying in the United States medical device market. The FDA's new mandatory cybersecurity regulations are no longer a future concern. They are a present-day barrier to market entry and a major factor in business valuations. While large corporations have been preparing for years, we are now seeing the profound impact these rules have on small and mid-sized innovators. The regulations demand that all new cyber device submissions include a robust plan to monitor, identify, and address post-market cybersecurity vulnerabilities. This must be supported by a software bill of materials, or SBOM, which is a detailed inventory of all software components in the device. For many startups, this level of documentation is a massive and often unexpected resource drain. We are observing a significant increase in refuse to accept, or RTA, letters from the FDA for submissions that lack this detailed cybersecurity file. This means promising new technologies are being stopped at the very first hurdle, not because of clinical performance, but because of incomplete paperwork. The business implications are even more severe, particularly in the world of mergers and acquisitions. Consider a recent real-world scenario. A promising startup developed a revolutionary AI-powered insulin pump. They entered acquisition talks with a major strategic buyer, with the deal valued in the tens of millions. During the due diligence process, the buyer's team requested the company's secure product development framework, or SPDF, documentation and their complete SBOM. The startup, which had focused heavily on the device's clinical efficacy, had only surface-level cybersecurity documentation. The acquirer's technical team calculated that bringing the device up to the new FDA standard would require a complete software re-architecture and 9 months of validation work. The perceived risk and the cost of remediation were too high. The deal was terminated. This is not an isolated incident. Cybersecurity resilience has shifted from being a technical, post-market issue to a fundamental pillar of a medtech company's value. Investors and acquirers now view a weak cybersecurity posture as a direct financial liability. Companies that fail to integrate these requirements into the very beginning of their design process are not just risking regulatory rejection. They are actively diminishing their own market value and jeopardizing their future exit strategies. Navigating this complex landscape requires a proactive, integrated approach to regulatory affairs and product development. For assistance with your global regulatory strategy, including FDA cybersecurity compliance, you can contact Pure Global. Email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.